beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back. So guys, I'm sorry if my voice is fading. I'm recovering from a cold, so bear with me. But in today's video, we're going to talk about Olaplex and what Olaplex does. So at this point, I guess we all heard about Olaplex, but what really is the hype about these products? So let's have a deep dive into how these products really work. As stated on the Olaplex website, our hair contains millions of disulfide bonds. These bonds give the hair its structure, strength, and its stabilities. When these bonds are broken, it results in hair damage. Some causes of damage are when we brush our hair too much, when we use excessive heat on our hair, the environment, etc. And that's when breakage occurs, split ends, dryness, and so much more. So Olaplex works on a molecular level. That means it repairs the hair from the inside out. How they do that is with a patented ingredient called the bis-aminopropyl diglycol-dimaleate. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but this molecule improves the hair strength and protects the hair from within. And it also states that these products can be used on all hair type, and I wanted to give it a go on my hair type. So in this video, I will be using the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, and the number 7 debonding oil. So around the holidays, Olaplex was selling this package for $60, and I couldn't pass up on the chance, so I bought it immediately because these small products are super expensive. So I bought it like immediately. This is what I'm working with. My hair is super dirty. I had some knotless braids in and I kept them in for precisely a month, and I have so much buildup, so much dirt in my hair, and I wanted to use these products to get that strength back into my hair. So I'm starting off with the number 3. This is actually a treatment you do before you shampoo your hair, and it says it's not a conditioner but it is a bond builder. The instruction says to use it once per week, but if your hair is damaged, you use it 2 to 3 times a week. You apply it on damp, towel dried hair, but I didn't listen to that. And you leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes, and I did leave it on for 10 minutes. So now for my thoughts on this product. I have to say this product felt like a conditioner on my hair. It worked like a conditioner on my hair. My hair was soft. My hair was manageable. I could run my fingers through my hair. It made my hair so soft. So yeah, out of the reviews I watched from YouTube, they said this product made their hair hard and it didn't work like a conditioner for them, but for me it worked otherwise. And I have to say I didn't get the wow factor that a product that is so praised about. I didn't get that wow factor on my hair, but they did say that you have to use this product multiple times to see real or experience real results. Yes, I noticed that my earring is almost falling off, and yes, I am aware that I'm making a lot of faces when I'm washing my hair, so don't mind that. And this is the results after leaving it on my hair for 10 minutes. I didn't do it with heat though. I just put on a plastic cap and just left it in for 10 minutes. But this is how my hair feels. This is how my hair looks. It does have the feeling like I did a protein treatment on my hair. My hair is very bouncy and it feels strong. So after washing the number 3 out, I went in with the number 4, and that is the shampoo. This is a highly nourishing and reparative shampoo. This shampoo repairs and protects your hair from everyday stresses. It leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier, and healthier with each use. The number 4 is also safe to use on colored hair, and it's proven to reduce breakage and it will strengthen the hair. This product suds up a lot and very fast, so a little goes a long way. I am known to be very heavy-handed, which natural isn't. So yeah, a little goes a very long way, so make sure you be aware of that. After washing my hair with the shampoo, my hair didn't feel stripped at all. I did one wash and the buildup was gone. I did a scratch test on my scalp, and also my scalp was clean, and that's what I love about this product. So I think you will get a very long use out of the shampoo because of the amount you're going to use. So moving on to the next step, and that is the conditioner. This conditioner is highly moisturizing, reparative, and it is for all hair type. As a shampoo, it protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. So on the back it says to leave it on for only 3 minutes, but this package didn't come with a deep conditioner, so I'm going to use the conditioner as a deep conditioner. As you all know, I never skip deep conditioner, so I'm going to leave it on my hair for 15 minutes and I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer. Yes, the Olaplex line has a deep conditioner, but it didn't come in this package. So their deep conditioner is the number 8. That's the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And I've heard some great things about it, so I think in the future I will get this and make a review on it. So now I'm washing the product out, and so now for my final thoughts on these products. My natural hair sheds a lot, so that is one of the things I was looking for in these products. And after I did the whole wash day routine, I experienced less shedding. And out of all of the products, I like the number 3 more. I feel like there was a difference after using the products than the other 2. So I want to incorporate the number 3 in my hair washing regimen, but this small bottle is like $30. So if Olaplex is watching this video by any chance, please sponsor me and thank you. And for the last part, the number 7 bonding oil, I didn't experience something wow, but it did make my hair shiny and it did feel soft, like it's just oil. Maybe I will see it over time, but that was my experience with the bonding oil. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.